Now we're going to take some baby bella mushrooms, you can use button mushrooms as well, and chop them very thinly. We're also going to take 3 artichoke hearts. I'm using 3 instead of 4 because these are rather large. And I'm going to quarter them. I'm not going to cut them more than that, even though that's more than a biteful, because once they cook in the sauce, they tend to break up again. So now we're going to get our frying pan, and we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. And make sure that it's coating the sides and all on the bottom.